How to log out of Telegram from all devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can log out of Telegram from all the devices where it is logged in. So just make sure to stick with me till the end. If you think that your Telegram account is logged into some other devices and then you want to log out, first of all, open up Telegram. Then once you open up Telegram, just tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. As and when you tap on the icon, over here you'll find this little gear settings icon. So you want to make sure to just tap on that. And when you tap on the settings icon here, if you actually scroll down, here you'll be able to find this option called devices. So just tap on devices button. Now, once you tap on devices, you'll be able to see all the devices where your Telegram account is currently active. So basically, if you want to remove either of these devices, what you can do is in one shot, you can tap on this terminate all other sessions button over here. So just tap on this option. It will ask you, are you sure you want to terminate all other sessions? So just tap on terminate. You will log out of your Telegram account on all the other devices except this one right over here. And to simply answer your question, this is it on how you can log out of your Telegram account on all the other devices. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.